Okay, hello everyone. While solving any problem, sometimes a need arises to find the square of the number. So in this video, I will be showing you a simple technique that can be used to find the square of any two-digit number. And all this can be done in less than 5 seconds. So let us start. The first number, 43 square. So firstly, I will take the square of first number 4, which is nothing but 16. The next number 3 square is 09. Then we need to multiply the two numbers. 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. So I will write 24 over here. I will not write anything in the units place. And now we need to add. So 9 4 8 1. So the answer is 1849. The next number is 57 square. So firstly, 5 square is nothing but 25. Then we take the square of 7, which is nothing but 49. Then we need to multiply the two numbers. 7 5s are 35, 35 2s are 70. Now we need to add. So 9 4 7 and 5 is 12 and 3. So the answer is 3249. Okay, the next question is 93 square. Firstly, 9 square, 81. 3 square, 09. 9 3s are 27, 27 2s are 54. So we'll write 54. Now we need to add. So I get 9 4 6 8. So the answer is 8649. The next question, 81 square. Again, 8 square is 64. 1 square is 01. Then 8 1s are is 8, 8 2s are is 16. Now adding both the numbers we get 1 6 5 6. So the answer is 6561. The next question, 73 square. So 7 square is 49. 3 square is 09. 7 3s are 21. 21 2s are 42. Need to add. So I get 9 2 13 and 5. So 5, 3, 2, 9. The last question, 27 square. So firstly, 2 square is 0.4, 7 square is 49, 7 twos are 14, 14 twos are 28. So I get 9, 12, 7. So the answer is 729. The next set, 19 square, 1 square is 0.1, 9 square is 81, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. Need to add. I get 1, 16, 3, 361. The next question, 49 square. So firstly, 4 square is 16, 9 square 81, sorry, then we have 9 fours are 36, 36 twos are 72. So 1, 10, this is 14, 2. So the answer is 2401. The next question, 91 square. So 9 square is 81, 1 square 0.1, then we have 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 80, x. So adding we get 1, 8, 2, 8. So 8281. The next is 88 square. So the first number, 8 eights are 64. Again 8 eights are 64. Now again 8 eights are 64. 64 twos are 128. So I will write 28 over here. Carry forward 1. Again here it will be x. Now need to add 4, 8, 6, 14, 4 plus 1, 5, 6, 7, 6 plus 1, 7, 7, 7, 4, 4. Now 69 square. 6 6s are 36. 9 9s are 81. 9 6s are 54. 54 2s are 108. So we'll write 1 over here. 1. So 16. 6 plus 1 7. 4. So the answer is 4761. The last question, 71 square. 7 7s are 49. 1 square is 0 1. 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. We need to add 1 4 5. So 5 0 4 1. Okay. So thanks a lot for watching.